In today's digital age, making money using AI tools has never been more accessible, even for those without prior experience. Imagine earning up to $10,000 in just 1 month by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. These innovative tools can automate tasks, streamline processes, and help you generate income with minimal effort. The appeal lies in their ability to simplify complex tasks, allowing anyone to tap into new revenue streams. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, the methods we'll discuss are designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Get ready to explore how you can start your journey toward financial freedom with AI. Understanding AI tools. AI tools are software applications that utilize artificial intelligence to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. In today's digital landscape, these tools are increasingly relevant as they help individuals and businesses streamline operations and enhance productivity. For beginners, there are various types of AI tools available, including chatbots for customer service, content generators for marketing, and data analysis tools for insights. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, such as scheduling, data entry, and even content creation, saving you valuable time and effort. By harnessing the power of AI, you can focus on more strategic activities while still generating income efficiently and effectively. Identifying profitable niches. Selecting the right niche is crucial for online earning, as it can significantly impact your success with AI tools. A well-defined niche allows you to target a specific audience, making your efforts more effective. Some profitable niches suitable for AI applications include digital marketing, e-commerce, content creation, and personal finance. These areas not only have high demand but also benefit greatly from automation and AI-driven insights. As you explore potential niches, it's essential to choose one that genuinely interests you. This passion will keep you motivated and engaged as you navigate the opportunities AI tools can offer. Take the time to research and find a niche that aligns with your skills and interests. Setting up your AI tools. Getting started with AI tools is easier than you might think. First, choose a popular AI tool that aligns with your niche, such as ChatGPT for content creation or Google Analytics for data insights. Begin by signing up for an account and following the setup prompts. Next, familiarize yourself with the tool's interface and features. To optimize settings for maximum efficiency, adjust parameters like response length or data filters based on your specific needs. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tools to discover which ones work best for you. Each tool has unique strengths, so trying out various options can help you find the perfect fit for your goals. Creating income streams. There are numerous methods to generate income using AI tools, and exploring these options can lead to financial success. Freelance work is a popular choice, where platforms like Upwork connect you with clients seeking AI-driven services, such as data analysis or content writing. Content creation is another avenue. Using AI tools like Jasper can help you produce engaging articles or social media posts quickly. E-commerce is also thriving, with AI tools assisting in inventory management and customer insights. For instance, businesses using AI chatbots have seen increased sales and customer satisfaction. To ensure stability, it's wise to diversify your income sources, combining freelance gigs, content creation, and e-commerce for a well-rounded approach. Tracking progress and results. Monitoring your earnings and assessing the effectiveness of AI tools is essential for long-term success. Start by using tools like Google Analytics or financial tracking apps to keep an eye on your income and productivity. These platforms provide valuable insights into your performance, helping you identify trends and areas for improvement. Analyzing your results is crucial. It allows you to refine your strategies and make data-driven decisions. Remember to celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's reaching a financial milestone or mastering a new tool. Acknowledging these achievements can boost your motivation and keep you focused on your goals as you continue to grow your income streams. In this video, we explored the exciting journey of making $10,000 in just 1 month using AI tools. We discussed how to identify profitable niches, set up your tools, and create diverse income streams through freelance work, content creation, and e-commerce. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action and experimenting with different AI applications to find what works best for you. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you to harness the potential of AI for financial growth. Thank you for watching.